Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we received our fall Juvia's Place mystery box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with it, it is or has become a seasonal box unless it's a special occasion such as, Mother's Day or Valentine's Day, something like that. So it's about $18 per month, but your value is, trust me, more than 3 or 4 times what you pay for it, okay? Plus, it gives you an opportunity to get other items that you don't currently have, okay, at a really great discount. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and open it up, and I will list on the screen the manufacturer suggested retail price, or if it is currently a sale going on, I will give you the sale price for each of the items that are included. So as I open this box, I'm kind of excited because it's actually 5 products in this box. That's a nice mystery box, okay? It's been a while since, we've gotten one, but now that we have it. So the mystery box was actually $15 this month. I do have a discount code that I use quite often, which takes $3 off. Okay, unfortunately, anything below $35, you do pay shipping. So that was an additional cost of $6 and $72 tax. So the total that I paid is $18.72. That includes the price of the box, taxes, and shipping. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first item that I have is the I Am Magic Duo. This is the Density Makeup Sponge 2, and it says it's 5 functions in 1 sponge. How about that? This is what it looks like. Okay, and since it's mine, I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see exactly what it looks like. Okay, so it does, have that teardrop shape that's here, but it's 2-tone, okay, and of course it gives you well, with this particular one, of course, you can use all sides. You have the pointed edge, you can get in those corner areas, depending on what you're applying at the time. You can literally use the beauty sponge for everything. You have a flat side, you do have the bouncy side on the bottom as well as here, and yes, if you wet it, it does expand. Okay, now it is a vegan and cruelty-free product. All right, and it says dampen sponge with water, squeeze out excessive water, and go ahead and use it. Flat surfaces of the sponge and apply evenly. So it's ultra soft and bouncy. Okay, so I was waiting, trying to decide if I wanted to get one of these because I have so many beauty blenders and beauty sponges, but I'm glad to have it. All right, now I will list the price down below so that you can see it. All right, so that one is the first item that came in. The second item that I received is the I Am Magic setting powder. Okay, and the shade that I had is Sahara. Okay, now I will show you what Sahara actually looks like. It's kind of like a banana powder, actually. See, can you see that shade pretty good? All right, and this one says it's a cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan product. It has a 24-month shelf life, okay? And of course, you can apply it with your sponge that we just received, okay? And brush off your excess with one of your actual makeup brushes, which Juvia's Place also has those as well, okay? And I do like the sifter that comes. It is covered though. There is a clear film over top. All right, I'll list that price down below as well. Yes, we have already exceeded what we paid for the mystery box. Okay, so the next item that I have fantastic. It's the Eye Prep Eye Prime Eye Primer, okay? And this shade that I have is color 1. Okay, I do have a couple of these still, but you can never have too much. All right, and so this is what it looks like. So this one is a 12 milliliter size. It is a cruelty-free product, and let's see, I'm sorry, it says it's a 12-month shelf life. From the time you open it, you have 12 months to use the entirety of your product. Okay, so this one is item number 3. You also see that price down below. The next one that I have is, and I love these products right here. This one right here is one of my favorites. Okay, and this one is the lip balm. Okay, let's see which one we have. So this is the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm, and this is in mango. All right, outside packaging, of course. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. And this one is a 1.8 milliliter size. And it has a 24-month shelf life. And this one is a cruelty-free product as well. All right, I'll show you what the actual lip balm itself looks like. I have several of these. I'm currently using my peppermint, but this one is actually the shade of mango. Okay, that price will also be below. All right, and then the last item that we have, I was getting ready to say I actually have this, but I don't. I have the Allure 1, and this one is the Allure 3. Okay, so let's just see what this one looks like. They package it very well to make sure your palettes are not cracked when you receive them. The outside packaging and the inside packaging look the same, but this is what the inside actually looks like. Here are the shades that are on the inside. This one is a This one is a 13.2 gram size, or 0.47 ounces. It has a 24-month shelf life. It is cruelty-free, and it is a vegan product. Okay, these shades are gorgeous. They are absolutely gorgeous. And I was hoping there would be a palette inside, so I think I'm going to go ahead and try it out. So I kind of like this deep brown color, but we're going to take and use this one as our transition shade, and then we're going to go in with this and possibly a shimmer. Okay, and this is what the final look is like. Now, I did not put on any primer. I should have, and then that would have covered, you know, the items that were in the mystery box. But so we just put in 3 shades out of the palette, the 3 across the bottom. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. Did you get the mystery box for fall from Juvia's Place? If you did, let me know your thoughts, okay? I just want to tell you I thank you so very much for spending time with me on today as we unboxed our Juvia's Place mystery box for the fall season. Okay, these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that we received. Don't forget, this was $15. That's an amazing deal for the items that we did receive, all 5 of them. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. You know we'd be more than happy to have you, and it is free. Okay, make sure you share this video with someone else. Maybe they would like to order. Do it while supplies are still available. Okay, now most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.